Patching and upgrading, especially nowadays, with ransomware, with viruses, with 0 days, with all of the things being fixed in SQL Server because the surface area of SQL Server has increased and everybody uses it differently. And there are bugs. There are things missed in QA. It happens. Even with Microsoft, I know that's shocking to all of you if you ever use Internet Explorer. You should be patching your SQL servers. So we'll talk about upgrades separate in a second here in the same slide. But we often see, I mean, we just had a client that was SQL Server 2008, I think R2, but RTM like a few months ago. So many things have happened between patches if you don't apply them. We prefer you to stay current, but not super current. We do not want you to just download every CU the moment it comes out. The one exception might be if it's a really critical security update and Microsoft says you better do this because there's a 0 day out there, you really have to do it. If you have a test environment, which hopefully you do it there first and wait and see. But we prefer you to wait maybe one patching cycle. So maybe don't be in the latest CU, but be in the latest CU -1. So the last CU. So when CU 14 for something comes out, deploy CU 13. I don't know why I said 13. That's an unlucky number. Let's say 15 and 14, deploy the one before. Because if you've been paying attention to the SQL Server community and blogs for a while, you'll see that I could probably think of 4 to 6, maybe even more. And people on my team might even count more and type in the everyone chat. But there's been at least 4 to 6 kind of not small oopses from Microsoft where they released a patch and then said, wait, don't deploy that patch. Wait a second and deploy this one instead. And if you did deploy that patch, uninstall it or deploy this fix to fix the patch. So I like to just wait and let somebody else's customers experiment with the brand new patches. And again, if you get into a ransomware situation or an auditing situation, this is the kind of thing they're going to ask you. So it's like the port number that we talked about a few slides ago. We all on this call know that changing the SQL Server port number doesn't really do anything to stop anything. But the auditors might make you do it because it's something they have to do. And then you have to defend it. And let's say you have a bad situation and somebody hacked your system. You have to now answer in a courtroom. Why didn't you do this best practice? Well, same thing with patching. If you have an issue and you're not patched, that's sort of your liability. It's your company's liability, but it's also your liability as far as your job goes and as far as all that goes. So you should be patching.